Hello viewers, welcome back to the another video. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to log out your Instagram account from all the devices you have been logged in currently. So first of all, make sure to get connected with the internet. Then simply start by tapping on this app icon, go to the Instagram. Here we go, and then after just click on this profile icon at the bottom right, and then after tap on this three horizontal line at the top right in order to go to your settings. And here you can see the option of settings at the top. Just click on this settings option, and here you can see a security in the middle between privacy and ads. Just tap on this security, and here you can see an option of login activity. Just tap on this option, and now you can see where you are logged in currently. So if you wanna log out from the devices, just choose the device and tap on these three dots beside the device. So just tap on these three dots and just click on this logout option at the bottom. Click on this OK option. That's it, you have been logged out from the device. So hope this video helped you, and before you go, please like and subscribe this channel as well. Thank you for watching.